Chemistry top repeated questions. Atomic mass unit is defined as the mass equal to 1/12 of the mass of a. Options are carbon 12 atom, hydrogen 1 atom, oxygen 16 atom, calcium 20 atom. And the answer is carbon 12 atom. The second question is Avogadro number is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 26 mole power minus 1, 6 power 022 into 10 power 23 mole power minus 1, 6.022 into 10 power 25 mole power minus 1, and 6.022 into 10 power 22 mole power minus 1. And the answer is 6.022 into 10 power 23 mole power minus 1. And the third question is calcium and argon is an example of a pair of isotope, pair of isotope, pair of isobar, pair of isoelectronic. And the answer is pair of isobar. And the fourth question is cyclotron is used to accelerate electron, neutron, proton, or negative ions. And our answer is proton. Fifth question is electrons placed in orbitals in order of increasing energy is described by Aufbau principle, Pauli's exclusion, Hund's law, none of the above. And our answer is Aufbau principle. And our sixth question is isobar is produced by the emission of X-ray, gamma ray, alpha ray, beta ray. And the answer is beta ray. Maximum number of electrons a shell can accommodate in the N shell of an atom is 32, 18, 58. And our answer is 32. Number of atoms in methane molecules are 3, 5, 4, 2. And the answer is 5. The lightest and most abundant element in the universe is nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, hydrogen. And the answer is hydrogen. The atomic number is equal to number of protons, number of electrons, number of neutrons for both A and B. So the answer is both A and B. Thank you.